The 2025 Honda Accord is a refined and modern midsize sedan that upholds Honda's reputation for reliability, performance, and innovation. It combines a sleek exterior design, a comfortable interior, and advanced technological features, making it a standout in its segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Accord offers two main powertrain options. The base engine is a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 that delivers 192 horsepower and 192 pounds-feet of torque, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. For those seeking enhanced efficiency, Honda also offers a hybrid powertrain with a 2.0-liter engine combined with electric motors, producing a total output of 204 horsepower. The hybrid system features a two-motor design and includes a NEV mode, enabling electric-only operation under certain conditions. Both powertrains are paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, to optimize fuel efficiency and performance. The exterior design of the 2025 Accord emphasizes a low and wide stance, giving it a sporty yet elegant appearance. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, while the rear boasts LED taillights and a sculpted trunk lid. Aerodynamic lines run along the sides, contributing to improved efficiency and a modern aesthetic. New for 2025 is the S trim, which adds sporty black accents, including black painted wheels, mirror caps, and grille trim. Inside, the Accord offers a spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin. High-quality materials and attention to detail create a premium atmosphere, especially in higher trims with leather-trimmed seating and soft touch surfaces. The driver benefits from a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster that provides customizable displays for essential information. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the standard 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The Touring Hybrid trim elevates the experience further with Google built-in, allowing access to Google Assistant, Google Maps, and various apps. A 12-speaker Bose premium sound system ensures exceptional audio quality. The Accord prioritizes safety, offering the Honda Sensing suite of driver assist technologies as standard across all trims. Key features include collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, and lane keeping assist. These systems work together to enhance driver confidence and reduce the likelihood of accidents. Additionally, the structure of the Accord incorporates advanced engineering to improve crash performance and passenger protection. The 2025 lineup includes several trims to suit different needs and budgets. The base LX trim starts at $28,295 and comes equipped with a robust set of standard features, including dual-zone automatic climate control, a rear-view camera, and a suite of safety technologies. The Sport and XL trims add features like a power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, and upgraded materials. The new S trim, priced from $30,560, enhances the Sport trim with distinctive black accents and additional standard technology. The top-tier Touring Hybrid trim offers all the premium features, including ventilated front seats, a head-up display, and more. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the 2025 Accord, with the hybrid models achieving exceptional EPA ratings. The hybrid trims are expected to deliver up to 46 miles per gallon combined, making them an ideal choice for environmentally conscious buyers or those seeking to save on fuel costs. The 2025 Honda Accord represents the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. Its combination of a refined driving experience, modern design, and cutting-edge features ensures it remains a competitive option in the midsize sedan market. With its focus on efficiency, safety, and versatility, the Accord continues to set a high standard for what a sedan can offer.